I often go to toy shops and markets searching for toys which are not only a great fun in playing but also can be used as an instrument of learning. The jumping joker, the Newton's cradle were few such discoveries. I also found in one of the toys a very interesting a gyroscope sort of material. It is a small plastic structure inside which a heavy material disc is fitted as a rotor. It is sealed from outside. It has got some openings through which a plastic strip with notches can be pushed in and pulled to rotate the rotor inside. It has got a mounted plastic acrobat, and you can now see the performance of this toy and how this toy has been turned into a learning experience will be demonstrated subsequently. I put the plastic strip inside and set the toy to rotation. I gently place the toy on this balance. The behavior of the acrobat sometimes may change with the change of its position. If I change its position to some other location, you can see its behavior will change. Now I am going to show how this simple toy was converted into a very interesting instrument for learning. I bought a couple of these toys and thereafter proceeded to strip it of its paraphernalia, and I found this piece of plastic casing with the rotor. It has got a small pin here and a depression in the front. I took some M seal and tried to attach a straw here. Attached a straw here like this. Here is the M seal and a straw, drinking straw attached here. On the back side, I took a steel tube and put it on the pin and tightened it with a screw. At the end of the pin, the tube, I had a small hook to which I can attach a weight. Then I took a rotor. Some may recall that this rotor was used in giving demonstration of principle of equivalence. I took the rotor and started proceeding mounting this toy, this instrument on this rotor. I put the pin inside, and this is to ensure that the rotor remains in the center alone and doesn't wander here and there. Then I lock the pin with a rubber band. The instrument is ready. It can move up and down. There is a rotor rotating in this plane, and the revolving frame can move it in this direction. It has got, like a gyroscope, gimbals, a movement in all three directions. To amplify the movements through the straw, I put another plastic strip. Even the great scientist Sir Isaac Newton was troubled by this aspect of science. He wrote to Bentley in 1693, after publishing Principia Mathematica, that gravity should be innate to matter and can act at a distance through vacuum without mediation is to me so great an absurdity that no thinking person should fall for it. Similarly, in this setup, the energy and the rotation of this rotor is transferred to other parts of this setup without any mechanism, merely to satisfy the law of conservation of angular momentum and energy.